Everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is the market update for Tuesday, January 25th, 2022. As you can see that on Monday, the S&P 500, they dipped down in the morning to negative 2.7%, and then they be able to snap back and close at 0.27% in green. So that's a good sign of the market be able to find some support, as you can see here. And then now, tomorrow we need to see the market be able to follow through and push it up, because we are wrap up the last week of January and we enter to the center of the Q4 of 2021 earnings season. We typically find that the earnings season will add more volatility for the next couple of weeks here. So tomorrow we will have a Fed Chair, Mr. Powell. We'll talk about the interest rate, bond tapering, and the future of the market. So that will make the market even more volatile. So at this moment, you can see that a lot of stuff, they already found a support, like I told you on a Sunday video. And now they try to find a way to stabilize and push it back up. So tomorrow, I think that the market will find a way after the Fed chair will talk, and then find a way to push it up to the upside, because we don't want the market to drop to below this level. That will be more dangerous. So we see some buyers step back in, they buy it at the bargain price. So let's see, the market will be able to hold up. We are not out of the woods yet, so one step at a time. So we're going to inform you in the future where they're heading to. So we do have a lot of resistance on the way up, but at this moment, the market is still stabilized. And then you can see that, so right now, the short term, the market will be choppy up and down and find a way to get out of this trouble zone, and then if they can push it back up, overall long term it's still bullish. So normally when the market pull back down like this, if the market be able to hold on and fight back, and the overall trend on a bigger time, it's still be able to hold tight at the level of support. So technically, the long term, the bull is still there. So the few sectors that we have been talk about, like utility, consumer stable, and commodity, right? So those energy sector, they are still very strong. So let's take a quick look on those sectors that we can see where we are at. Okay. So first of all, let's take a look on the index first. So this is S&P 500. Let's take a look on the Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq, I draw this blue box here for you. So the market pull back down, found support, bow back up. So hopefully tomorrow to be able to push it up and continue to the upside there. The Dow, it also found a support at the blue box right here, and now try to find a way to put it up again. Russell 2000, they popped down right below, but right to the level of support, they hold up. Now we're looking for rebound to the upside. Look at the crude oil, it's still hang tight, but they have a strong resistance here. So they pull back a little bit, but the momentum is still strong for the energy sector. Okay, and look at gold. Gold try to find a way snap back to this level here, but they have a strong support at this downtrend line here. So in order to go higher, they have to be able to punch through here with a lot of resistance at this level here. So let's see, they can punch through it, or they will give up and pull back before they can tell you clearly what they're heading to. If you look at the Bitcoin stabilized at the buy zone also. So now they're looking for some stabilization here and then find a way up. The Ethereum also get stuck right into the buy zone. So it needs more time, but eventually they are all trying to looking for support. So if or a lot of stock in there, the big cryptocurrency, if they all stabilize, so the market will have a chance to bow back to this level here. So you look at the volatility, it's still in the strong upward scale here. You can see that they shoot it up on Monday to almost 38, 39 level, and then today they slam back down. So let's see it. Tomorrow, if they pull back down, then they give a chance for the market to push it back up. But definitely they hit to the strong level of resistance here. So we hope that they will pull back down so that the market can have a chance to snap it back. Look at the 10-year Treasury note. You can see that they hit to the sell zone, they pull back down. So now probably they are still hang tight to fill up the gap here. And if they give up here, then good for the technology. But if they continue to push it back up, the technology stock will still have a lot of trouble there. Okay, so right now we still focus on the energy sector. As you can see, look at the XLE. It's still the energy sector is still one of the best sector right now. As you can see that they continue to put it up to the top again, so they still have some room to put it to the extended area, but the momentum is still there. So you can see a lot of stuff that we we mentioned for you before, like CNQ, Canadian Natural Resource. They pull back support, continue to the upside, and a lot of good stock like ExxonMobil is still very strong there. Chevron, as you can see here, is still extremely strong. BKR, okay. Baker Hill also strong also. You see that the energy sector is still one of the best right now, so stick with that. The financial sector, it also hold up after they drop down, but they be able to file the support here. So let's see the next couple of days they be able to snap back. But this time around, a lot of financial institution that relate to the credit card like Visa, okay, American Express. After they dip down, so it seems like they'll be able to file the support and snap back today, or Morgan Stanley, okay. So institution banker, they are all try to find the support and find a way back up there. The technology is still the one that have a trouble right now. As you can see that they put it back down, but now they found some support there. The energy, the real estate, it also hold up at the moving average here, so they looking for something that snap back here also. Let me see. In the XLK right now, it's a lot of stock that they get hit hard, but some stock in the semiconductor try to stabilize at this level. Okay, so if they can hold on to this level, and then they will find a way to put it back up. But some good stock like Micron, it also found support, so we need to see the next couple of days need to stabilize and find a way up, so we can though a strong stock, if they find the support, that's a good chance that for you to add on into your portfolio. And Nvidia and DVA, okay, that's another strong one also. Okay, so that's one that also there I write the support level here. So in the next couple of days, we're looking for some kind of rebound. That could be a nice pop up to the upside also. The industrial, it also sideways market, but some stock it still hang tight to the upside. It's like Caterpillar, John Deere, for example. Okay, they are still hang on to this one here in the future. Okay, so sometimes the market drop, it looks scary, right? It damaged a lot of 401k, IRA account, but the overall, some good stock, if they pull back down, they will give you a chance to buy it at a discount price. So we'll see in the next couple of days which one it will turn around, and you just stick with it, and that will be a good thing for you to add on to your portfolio. Okay, the XLP, the consumer stable, is also strong, but they pull back a little bit. Okay, if the market is going to snap back, the healthcare is still in some trouble here, but they are right at the level of support. So if they can hold on to here, they still have a room to put it back up again. So some good stock like right now, and like MRK, okay, it's still hang tight to the upside right now. BMY, okay, Bristol Myers, It's still hang tight there. And even, let me see, Amgen, they can, yep, should they go up, they pull back support. If they hold here, they still have a potential to rebound also. Okay, so beside this stock, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we handpick many stock daily and analyze in detail with the entry and target so that you can follow. Okay, so that's the market update for today. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. So please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below. And thank you for watching. And then I will continue to update for you where the market heading to. So tomorrow is the Fed day, so you have to be careful. But I don't think that the Fed is going to mess up the market. Okay, so the market it should be stabilized and looking for a rebound to the upside. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching, and good luck to you. Take care, everyone.